Your business has chosen to use Blendtec, creator of the world's most advanced blending and dispensing equipment. Blendtec machines help you to do your job quickly, safely, and efficiently, so your customers can receive the best experience possible. Blendtec jars are designed to stand up to heavy use and thousands of blend cycles. In this video, we'll discuss how to clean and care for your jars so you can continue to delight customers time and time again. Before your first blend of the day, turn the drive shaft with your hand a bit. This activates the self-lubricating feature of the blade assembly and will extend the life of your jar. While blending, do not push down on the jar. This may cause the jar to become stuck to the blender base because of the friction and heat generated by the blending process. Never rock, move, or shake the jar during a blend cycle. If you need to adjust the ingredients, first remove the jar from the blender base. Remember, always wait until the blade has stopped moving completely before removing the jar from the blender base. Cleaning your jars at the end of each day is simple. Just add hot tap water and 1 or 2 drops of liquid dish soap to the jar. Place the lid tightly on the jar, place the jar on the motor base, and touch pulse for 5 to 10 seconds. Then rinse all soap from the jar and lid with warm water. You can also wash your jars in a dishwasher. Just remember to place the jars on the top rack and do not wash in temperatures exceeding 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Some other things to remember when cleaning your jars. Do not soak your jars at any time. Instead, wash, rinse, and sanitize in a 3-compartment sink. Be sure to use your locally approved sanitizing solution per the manufacturer's specifications. Some sanitizers may cloud the jar over time. This is normal and does not affect the integrity of the jar. Do not use abrasives to clean the jar. Abrasives will dull and scratch the surface of the jar. You can stack your 4-side and wild-side jars to save space. If you store the jars upside down, shake off the excess water so no water collects around the blade drive shaft. If you are storing jars for a long period, first apply a small amount of food-grade oil, such as vegetable oil, to the seals around the blade assembly, both inside and outside of the jar. This will prevent the seals from drying out and leaking after prolonged storage. After extended use, your jar may need replacement in the following circumstances. The blade doesn't spin. The drive shaft spins without moving the blade. The jar leaks. The jar produces any loud noise that isn't normal. The plastic is cracked. The jar starts smoking. The jar's blade is bent or broken. The jar's drive shaft is stripped. The jar produces black shavings. The jar's blade assembly is loose. The jar produces excessive vibration when blending. As always, our goal is to help you get the best performance from your blenders, so you can provide the best service to your customers.